Finally just dropped me off a working dryer, which looks okay. Here's a fridge, working fridge. Yeah, come on, something's wrong with it. I don't know yet if it's working or not, but the whole back panel here is all ice. I can feel the ice. It's all frozen up. So it's got freezer issue problems. There's ice. There's Samsung for you, right? But the only problem is the door doesn't close. This thing here is supposed to snap back. You're gonna push it in and it goes like that. But it's not holding the door tight enough, because look. So when you go to close the door, or when you open it, it should, because you open it, right? Then it snaps back. I mean, snaps back this way. But it's not, it's flimsy, look. That's no good. That's why it's probably freezed up ice, because it's a gap. And air is going to it and freezing the back. If I can fix that, he says it's working, but I gotta thaw it out before I plug it in, because everything's frozen. The whole back is frozen. And it's got a box. There's the board on top. I've never seen one of a board on top. It says if it doesn't work, you don't want it, can't fix it, just give it back to me. I don't know, crazy. More Samsung fridges. Should give up with these Samsung fridges. Whew, make some space here. Got a lady coming today. Should be here pretty soon. Obviously that one's missing feet in the bottom. They probably busted the feet off it. Wow, I figured out what's wrong with that fridge. Why they gave it away, because the doors weren't closed in properly and the gap in the door was open, and when that happens, the whole back panel freezes up, everything freezes up, everything goes out of whack. So if I can get the door fixed, it'll be okay. But if I can't get the door fixed, give it back to them. But hell with Samsung, I'm sick of Samsung. Okay, just waiting for this lady to show up. Hopefully she shows up. Alright, just sold the washer, guys. There it is. Whirlpool direct drive washer. Oh, it's so funny. You guys gotta hear this story. They're leaving the washer. Alright, there we go. Oh my god, focus now. Hang on. Hang on. 1, 2, 3, 400 bucks. 400 bucks, guys. Alright, I gotta tell you a funny story. They told me, well, I'm glad you're here, because the other guy stood us up. I said, who stood you up? I don't know, another guy told us to meet us here, and he never showed up. His name was Carmack, I think. I think on Marketplace it said Carmack. I said, Carmack? I don't know, I'm the only guy with appliances here. I said, oh shit, man. That was me, Carmack. I said, no, I don't know anybody named by Carmack. Shit, oh shit, so that's bullshit. Why don't send people up? Now, I'm honest, reliable, I give you warranty and everything like that. I said, oh, I appreciate that and all that. So yeah, maybe I made an appointment, I forgot all about it or something. But yeah, I said Carmack. No, don't know anybody Carmack. Holy shit, that was crazy. My god. But yeah. Alright, that's the, holy shit, where'd it go? Hang on, it blew out. Hold on, blew out the door. Shit. Holy shit, I had to drive back. I looked at it and said, hey, there's no money there. I only see $200. So I drove back quick, said, holy shit, gotta drive back, it's blown away. Oh, and I found it. Holy shit. Oh my god, it's still on fucking Zoom. Okay, first things first, I don't know if I like this fridge. Control panel right up here. I mean, the control board, look at it. See it? Crazy, huh? I don't even know why it's open. What a place to put a control panel. That tells you it's older fridge. Can't do anything right now, let's turn it on. If I can't fix this, it's useless to me. By the time I come pick it up for scrap. Wasp, get the hell out. Jesus Christ, these things, I'm stuck with these wasps. You can see the ice. Hang on. See the ice all in there? All ice. Ice in there. It's just thick of ice. There's no way it's gonna run now. Even in here, let me take it apart. This is spring loaded. If I can't fix that, it's no good. Look, it should pull back. He said, see what you can do. If you can't fix it, then I'll pick it up for scrap. That's not good. How can this thing even breathe like that? That's gonna be all cleaned out. I might use my compressor this time. Hook it up and shoot that all out of there. It's bad. Coils can't breathe. No air can get through it. Oh, we so zoomed in out. I got my compressor there. We'll plug that up to the generator. I got my gun. Put the little nozzle here. So I can do that. Cleaning. Should work pretty good. First, before I do all this, if I can't fix the door, there's no point in doing all this.
Guys, this is seems to be a common problem with all these French Samsung door fridges. Basically, get this mullion, whatever it's called, the spring's gone in it. So when you shut the door, it doesn't latch anymore. Anyway, or you can't order the spring from Samsung. And they want you to replace this entire thing, which is over $150.
$100?
So some springs on eBay, and I'm going to change it now and show you that it will work. Here's the model number for this one. I have a feeling that most of them are very similar. Okay, the first thing you want to do is you want to remove these two screws here.
Okay. Gotta love YouTube, right, guys? This guy knows a repair to do, so I'm gonna try this repair, see if it fixes it. So $100 to replace that latch. I don't know, is that worth it? Maybe, who knows? Well, let me watch the video and see what goes on here, if I can fix it, guys. Okay, that was easy. Just remove these two screws here, and then just push it out. It came out. Then they said undo the clip. Or can you on this one here? Oh yeah, it will come off. He got the springs off eBay for like 10 bucks. I might have to order the springs or see if I can tighten them myself or something. Let me see. His is different. When I open mine, I got foam in here. So I guess I gotta remove the foam. All this stuff here is gonna be removed. And find the loaded springs in it. Alright, let's get working on this. I removed the foam, but I don't see the springs. The springs are in here. You see how that goes? So I gotta get inside this piece here. And this one here, I don't know if this even has a spring. You know that is like that? That should have tension. So the spring's in this chamber here, so I have to open these chambers up. 1, 2. Maybe there's one there. So we got it opened up. Alright. Alright, I figured it out. I just popped this out here with my screwdriver. So you just get in here and you pull that up, and the little piece will pop out. I'm gonna do this one here. Can't do it with one hand. You know, this has no spring in it. Look. Take that out. Look down the hole, there's no spring in it. So that I don't even have a spring. So what would the spring be? Probably the middle. That's the same as that. And this. So where's the spring action? It's gotta be this one. I don't know. I don't even see a spring in it. Time to kill. WD-40. Look at it right there. You guys can see it. Goodbye, wasp. WD-40. Now it's gonna send all its troops here to kill me. That's it, you. Get the hell. Oh, there's another one. They're everywhere. Close the fridge. You get one, thousands start to come and get you. Oh my god, I need a weapon. Okay guys, I don't see no springs. I guess they're completely missing. But I think in the springs would have been, like the springs would have been in that hole there, right? And there would have been somewhere along in here. So the spring would have went in there and somehow hooked on the outside. Like somewhere there where the hole is, that's where the spring would be. Not in the inside. So I gotta put it back together and see if I can find the springs on Amazon. That's what the guy says he got them from. That's the model number. So let's put it back together for now. And I'll just, I don't know if the ice is melted yet. I want to check it before I do anything, make sure it works. But I want to also get my air gun and clean the bottom there. Okay, so this could be an easy fix because my springs are on the outside. The other guys were on the inside. So there you go. Your spring would probably go through that hole there and would latch onto this top piece here easy. Right, oh, see that hole there? So your spring would be there. The springs are completely gone. One there. The center one doesn't have any springs. Alright, so it's one there, 2 springs. That's worth fixing. I can do that. So let's put that aside for now. I'll look tonight on Amazon, see if I can find them. And I will clean that out and I'll start it up and see if it does work. I don't think the ice is all fully melted yet. I think it should be the sun beating down so hard. Oh, another wasp. Oh, come on. Look at them. I can't even work with these things over here. Oh, another one on my head. They're everywhere. Can't even see. There's still ice. Get away. What? This guy is chasing me? Holy shit. I need a weapon. Well, just fill up. Clean all that up. Not enough pressure. Don't let that charge up. Work it that way? No. You gonna shut it off first? No. It's been a while since I used a compressor. I don't know. Figure it out. I don't know, I got most of it out. Believe it or not, I forgot how you use this. Anybody knows, I forget. Does this have to stay closed when you fill this up or open? I'm not sure. So I'm not getting any pressure. So do I have to close this until it builds up pressure, then open it up? I don't know. Let me know. It's been a while since I used a compressor.